Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode, we're going to make a shrimp lettuce salad. It's another easy recipe with just a few ingredients and very fast to prepare. But an interesting thing about this is at the end, I'm going to show you the type of dressing we're going to use for the salad, and it's a very unique kind of dressing. So stay tuned. And for the ingredients part, this is what you're going to need. So you're going to need some curly lettuce or some kind of type of romaine lettuce. About this one here. It's just the lettuce with some purple at the end of the leaves. You're going to need some pre-cooked shrimp, just like usually it's called salad shrimp, and they're pre-cooked at the store. So all you do is you just unfreeze them and you can eat them. As well as some boiled eggs, so just using some regular eggs. So I boiled these for 8 minutes. We're also going to need some tuna, and this is tuna in olive oil because you're going to be using the olive oil for the part of the dressing of the salad, as well as just salt and pepper. And that is all the ingredients. They're easy to find, they're pretty affordable, and just very little ingredients that you actually need to make the salad. So let's begin making the salad. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to take these lettuce, and I took it all apart into the leaves, separate leaves, washed it. And all you want to do now is just kind of tear it into bite-sized pieces, and you're going to do that for all of your lettuce. Okay, so here it is. So you just want to fill up a bowl, like a salad bowl with lettuce. So that's that. And now we just want to cut up the egg, and you're just going to cut your egg in quarters or a little bit smaller. But I'm just going to do quarters just like that. Okay, so that's the egg, and now what we're going to do is we're going to start putting the salad together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our tuna with the olive oil, and we're going to take a fork, and we're just going to break it down into smaller pieces. So just by twisting your fork, just like that. Okay, so now let's start putting it together. So what you want to do is just take your tuna, and you're just going to spread a whole can of tuna just around the salad with the olive oil, of course, because we're not putting any more oil except the one that's in this can. Okay, so the tuna is in. So now let's just take our shrimp and just put the shrimps over it. And you just want to spread it around just so it looks nice. And the last thing you want to put on the salad is just your egg. So again, just put it nicely just like that. So the last thing we need to do is, of course, just put our dressing on top of the salad plus the spices. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, put some salt, not a lot because tuna is salty, but of course you want to put some salt over the eggs and just overall over your salad. We're going to use just some black pepper to taste. There you go. And now for the unique secret ingredient for this dressing for this salad, we're actually going to be using this kind of pomegranate. This is sort of like a sauce. It's not a balsamic vinegar with a taste of pomegranate. This is an actual reduction of pomegranate. So sort of I call this like a pomegranate dressing. I found this at a health store, but since then I've seen things like this sort of in Longos. Just make sure that it's not balsamic vinegar or a vinegar with a taste of pomegranate. It actually has to be like a reduction or sauce of a pomegranate. So this is 100% pure and organic. And this goes well with a few things. They recommend eating this with cheese or with salads, with meat, but I like it on top of the salad. So what we're going to do is just take a little bit of this, just mix it a little bit, and we're going to put this over our salad. Keep in mind, this dressing is pretty sour and pretty strong in taste, so don't put a lot, just sprinkle some. And then of course you can put it at the table, so if people want to add a little bit more, they can do that to their own taste. So that's everything. This is our finished product. So let's see up close. So this is a tuna lettuce salad, shrimp lettuce salad with curly lettuce, shrimp, tuna, egg, as well as salt, pepper, and pomegranate sauce or dressing to put it together. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and make this salad. It's a very healthy salad. You can try it for lunch or for your guests if you want to be fancy, because it's a very unique, interesting salad, not a common one you would find online. As well as it's a great salad to have if you're trying to be more healthy because there is no mayo. So of course you can enjoy, and it's filling because of course there's tuna and eggs, so there's protein in the salad. So you can enjoy it with a piece of bread and be healthy and taste something new. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Thank you. Bye.